now from Dr. Helen Klus, who's astronomer at the Royal Astronomical Society. Keeping it in English, if you would, what is the significance of this? Good morning.
Good morning. Well, it's quite amazing. I mean, black holes are one of the most strange, mysterious and intriguing objects that we have in the universe that we know of. Stephen Hawking once said, facts sometimes seem stranger than fiction, and nowhere is that more true than with black holes. So we have all these ideas, and now we can actually take a photo and see that they match up, which is quite extraordinary. I mean, this black hole that we've taken a photo of, it's about 50 million light years away. And to give you some perspective, I mean, you can't, it's so far away. But it's about 10 million times the distance to the nearest star. I mean, that is so far away, and this object is so mysterious that to find that the picture matches with what we predict is absolutely... Well, it would be extraordinary if the theory was wrong. So to see that the theory is right is quite amazing and quite exciting.
How did they find it?
Well, we know that it's there for quite a while because there's these huge jets that come out of it. You might see a photo online of a famous galaxy with jets, and it's the same one. And so we knew it was there, and we can work out roughly how much it weighs by looking at the things that move around it. And we know it's one of the heaviest, most massive objects that we know of. It's about 6.5 billion times the mass of the sun, which is bigger still than the black hole in our own galaxy. Yeah, I mean, it's one of the biggest supermassive black holes in the universe.
Pardon my ignorance, Doctor, please, you are speaking with an utter layman here. What's going on in it? You know, what's happening in the black hole?
Well, we think, and which we have somewhat confirmed now, is so imagine if you've got a bed sheet and you've got it you've got it out tight, and you put an object on it, and it makes the bed sheet dip.
Yes.
So imagine the heavier the object, the more the bed sheet will dip, and eventually you'll get an object so heavy that it will just break. It will dip all the way through.
Oh my God.
And that's what matter does to space. So space itself becomes curved like the bed sheet.
Right.
So the more mass...
So has it actually torn a hole in the bed sheet then, effectively?
Yes, sort of. I mean...
You started the bed sheet analogy, Helen, not me.
Well, this is it. What happens right in the middle is a mystery. That is the point at which everything we know about science...
At your bed.
But yeah, the thing, what's inside a black hole, nobody actually knows, and that's the most fascinating thing, because we have these ideas, and we'll be able to move further in finding that out.
That's my next question. So,
information.
What will they be now that? And I can see what a quantum leap in knowledge this is. What will they be seeking to do now?
Well, hopefully, we're all hoping that the next image will be an image of the black hole in our own galaxy. So we have a supermassive black hole in our own galaxy, which we've taken not images of the black hole, but we've taken images of things moving around it. So you can see there's this empty space with things moving strangely around it. So we're hoping that the next thing will be an actual image like the one released yesterday, the supermassive black hole in our own galaxy, and that will be brilliant. And hopefully after that it will lead to more and more of this sort of thing. And
how did they find it? I mean, it must have taken years to find this damn thing.
Well, they didn't. They sort of found the jets first. Like, it's got these huge jets coming out of it. I think it was Becky Schmerster I'm quoting here, who said if the black hole was the size of a grain of sand in the palm of your hand, the jets would extend all the way from your palm to your fingers. That's kind of to give you a scale of. You imagine that image as a grain of sand, like that's the scale of the jets. So they're really large, and we saw them first. We knew where to point the telescope, but I think a lot of the problem is getting a telescope large enough to take a photo of something like that. So what they've done is it's about 200 plus astronomers and engineers have worked together, and they have telescopes all around the world now. There's one in the South Pole, Mexico, Europe, Hawaii, and by doing that they can combine the data, so it appears as like a telescope that's the width of the Earth, when in fact it's different telescopes around the Earth. It appears as if we've got a telescope as large as the Earth to do this.
Absolutely be fantastic. I will leave it there, Helen. Thank you so much for your time, and also taking it to a level that I could understand. Dr. Helen Klus is astronomer at the Royal Astronomical Society. Just something in numbers on this before we come back to Brexit. The black hole is, well, indeed we heard from Dr. there, 55 million light years away. It's 6.5 billion times the mass of the Sun. This just boggles the mind. How big is it, do you suppose? 25 billion miles across. 25 billion miles. I mean, I just work out that London to Sydney is 13,000. I know that one because I used to do it. And that's always seemed a long day out. So 25 billion miles. That's 7 times the distance between Pluto and the Sun. It's just beyond comprehension, isn't it? Well, it gave us a break from you-know-what.